Hey everyone, Kim here with Buy It Smart Auto. I like to just take a moment and read sometimes some questions or comments that customers have that I tend to answer a lot. And so I know it's probably, a frequently asked question. So this particular customer, and I don't mention any names ever, says that she would like a vehicle that would be $300 a month max, and she needs one ASAP. So whenever anyone, and most people today, are looking to finance a vehicle, it's very rare that somebody will walk in the front door and actually really pay true cash out of their bank account. Hey, if you can do that, that's cool. This video is not for you. If you're like most people today that are looking to purchase a vehicle and you're probably financing and you have a desired budget or you have less than perfect credit, then one of the things that I hate to say need to understand, one of the things that I can share with you is that being able to make sure that you're driving a vehicle that meets your budget is really just a simple math equation. The problem and the frustration for most customers is they go looking for the vehicle first and then are told what the payment would be for them specifically. So when you're looking at keeping a monthly payment range for yourself, which is a budget, either you do or you don't know what interest rate you will qualify for. Keep in mind that interest rates come with people. They don't go with dealerships or vehicles. That's part of the equation. But the first part is, what interest rate does your credit qualify you for? Then second to that, what vehicle are you most interested in? Because the interest rate will change up or down depending on the year and the kilometers of vehicles. I know. So here's how I answered the question. So-and-so, payments will depend on the vehicle price and the interest rate and term your credit will qualify you for. Do you know what interest rate you qualify for? And then she comes back to me and she says, no, I have no idea. So then I say, let's get you pre-approved for your auto loan. That way I'll be able to tell you the vehicles that you will be able to buy that match your desired budget. How does that sound? Okay, so it's really simple. It's just a math equation. And the cool thing is that when you get pre-approved for an auto loan, it doesn't change your deal. You always want to be paying attention to the selling price and your trade value and whether or not you're putting money down. The rest of it's just math. So don't worry about getting a pre-approval like it's going to give the dealer an advantage. It won't, unless they're not pricing their vehicles. And if they're not pricing their vehicles, you shouldn't be doing business there anyways, right? So you want to price the vehicles. That way, that's not a factor that can change. Get pre-approved for your auto loan and then get matched to vehicles you know you'll be approved for that also meet your needs, lifestyle, and desired budget. And I'm happy to help. Click the link below and let's get started.